You can find all farm-relevant information in the Company Management tab. In this menu you will find an overview of your farms and you can see all the farms connected to you and switch between them. In the lower part of this window you have 3 selection options. You can create a new farm, add a contact or remove a contact. We will show you the function of the contacts or the networked farms in tutorial number 7. Now click on My Groups. As soon as you have logged into the FarmBlick community for the first time, our system automatically creates a farm with the name Group Standard. We recommend that you rename this so that later, when exporting your data, you can find it again quickly and easily on your terminal. This is done using the small pencil next to the company name. If you wish to create several farm units and manage them independently of each other, please click on Create New Group in the lower area. Now enter the desired farm name and confirm this with Save. Now you can switch between the individual farms by simply clicking. You can recognize the selected farm by the green background. In the later application, you will always see the currently selected farm unit in the upper part of the field list. A farm unit can be deleted by pressing the Delete button. This button only appears on farms that are not active or not currently selected. The function of the Access Rights button is explained in tutorial number 7. As soon as you have selected a farm, the system automatically switches to field management.